Today we're going to talk about the policy to configure a WSUS server locally on a Windows client. It'll be a really quick tutorial, so let's get started. To get started, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open the local policy editor. So we're going to type in gpedit, and it's going to pull up the management console that we need to configure this policy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and first expand the folders to reach the Windows Update policies. So we're going to expand the administrative templates, Windows components, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom for Windows updates. As you can see in the right-hand view here, the policy setting that we're going to want to configure is specify Internet Microsoft Update Service Location. Go ahead and double-click that, and then as you can see, we'll see the actual policy itself. So we're going to go ahead and set that to enable so we can configure this server. And then in the two boxes, we're going to go ahead and enter the server name that we want to point the client to. The top one's actually where it's going to check in and try to find the updates, and the second's where it's going to go ahead and keep the status of each of those client systems. So you want to make sure, for our purposes at least, we're going to go ahead and keep them the same. So we're going to go ahead and apply that policy. And then once we do that, we can actually update the local policy to make sure the computer goes ahead and takes that setting now. So we'll do a gp update/force. And once the system goes ahead and takes this policy, what's going to happen is the next time that you check out for Windows updates, it's actually going to point to the server you specified. This allows an administrator to go ahead and control the results or the advertised updates to make sure you don't break anything in production. And now that that's all taken care of, everything's all set. Thanks for watching.